Just because something isn't happening to you right now doesn't mean it won't happen forever. Always when we're struggling in life, we forget certain things. And that's the principle of never giving up. I want to take this example. When lockdown happened around the world due to COVID-19 in 2020, me and my friend called Patrick, we were at Ndiji University in our final year. It was one of the saddest things in my life. We decided that, since we come from poor families, and Museveni has broken people home for 2 weeks, that's 14 days. Let's stay here, use the transport money to stay within here, so that when the people come back, we don't put burden on our parents to pay transport money. Pressure mounted. The following day, we called the parents so that we are given transport money to go back home. But unfortunately, things became tough. We could not have what we wanted. We could not get the transport money, and so we had to stay in the lockdown near the school. In the Uganda lockdown, the police were very brutal. It was hard to get money, it was hard to get food. We had to start hustling in farms. Days gone by, the nights became longer, the days became too long. We suffered ultimate suffering. But we were discussing that if it is for our future of education that we started long, and this is what it cost, then let's keep faith until we complete the mission. So we had to endure, and we were asking ourselves, why is it not happening to us? The success of finishing school. Why have other people graduated and ours is now blocked by this kind of thing? By this world-class shocker, by this pandemic called coronavirus. We were angry at whatever thing. We were angry at God, nature, the president, politics, the disease, everything. And there was nobody who can help or rescue us. Nobody. Then, at last, degradation happened. So please, it doesn't mean that if it is not happening to you right now, then it won't happen. It will happen one day. Thank you. Please subscribe and follow on Pinterest and Facebook. Visit the website www.lohfoco.site and comment so that I know your feedback. Like the video and share to your friends. Thank you and bye-bye. Hi folks, on my right hand side is a subscribe button. Please hit it and subscribe. Then on the left hand side down is the latest videos, and then up is a video recommended for you. Please thank you for watching this channel. Down on the link there is the website www.lohfoco.site.